Subscribe our channel Al Saeed Quran Academy and press the bell icon. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Qari Abu Saeed from Al Saeed Quran Academy. Today inshallah we are going to start the first lesson of Noorani Qaida. So before starting the video, if you or any of your family members are interested to learn Quran online, the number that is visible on the screen, you can contact us through WhatsApp. So without wasting time, we start our lesson. Dear viewers, first of all, we must know the meaning of Noorani Qaida. What does it mean? Noorani Qaida means basic book for beginners to learn Quranic Arabic. That's a basic thing. If we improve our basic, then we can go ahead. Without improving our basic, we can't go ahead. But this is a basic thing. We must improve this basic. Inshallah, then we will read the Holy Quran well. Dear viewers, remember another thing. This is Takhti number first. It means listen first and mufradat. We must know the meaning of mufradat. What does it mean? Mufradat means individual letters. For example, look at here. Alif. Here's alif. It is individual. It is single word. Okay. Ba. Ba is also single. Ta is also individual. Insa and tha is also. That's why we call it hurufe mufradat. And next thing, in English has own alphabets A to Z, but Arabic has own alphabets alif to ya. But in English we call it alphabets, okay? But in Arabic language we call it hurufe tahajjib. English alphabet are 26, but Arabic alphabets are 29. From alif to ya, these alphabets are 29. The next thing, we must remove the Urdu pronunciation here, like be, te, the. No, we can't read like that. But we must read ba, ta, tha. Arabic pronunciation, okay? So before learning these alphabets, we must learn ta'uz and tasmiyah, because ta'uz and tasmiyah, this is the basic of everything. Whenever we start Noorani Qaida and Quran as well, we must read first ta'uz and tasmiyah. This is ta'uz and this is tasmiyah. Let's start. A'udhu. Remember, the first word is Hamza, Alif, and the second word is Ain. Okay? Alif has own sound and Ain has own sound. For example, A'udhu. A-ru. We must connect Ain with Waw. A'udhu. A'udhu. Billahi. Remember this thing, whenever we have kasra before lam, then we must read this lam in light sound. Billah, okay? We can say billah. We can't read in heavy sound, in bold sound, okay? Billahi. We must connect ba with lam, okay? Billahi. Minash shaytan. We must connect noon directly with sheen. We can read here lam. Minash shaytan. Minash shaytanir rajim. And also we must connect noon directly with ra. We can read here lam. Nir rajim. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillah. Bis. Okay, sin sound, and we must connect ba with sin. Okay, bis, mil, and mim with lam. Okay, and it is also we have kasra here before lafzi Allah and before lam, but we must do the sound of lam and light sound. Okay, not heavy sound and bold sound. Bismillah. Here we should connect ha directly with ra. We can read here lam. Hirrah. Hirrah. Ra should connect with ha. Rahma. Rahma. Nirrahim. Noon directly with ra. Okay. Nirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, let's start from the alif, the first alphabet. Alif. 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 Dear viewers, you can also get help with the English words. Okay, look at here at the below of alif. You can also get help from here. But remember one thing, you must understand this shape. Okay, but don't keep in your mind this English, because in Arabic we don't have English, but you must keep in your mind this shape. Okay, ba. The second one is ba. 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 Ta. 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 Fa. 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 Jim. 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 Ha. 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 Kha. 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 Dal. 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 Zal. 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 Ra. 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 Okay, at the last I am going to read from the start again. Just repeat after me. Okay. Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Fa. Fa. Jim. Jim. ha, ha, kha, kha, dal, dal, ذال, ذال, را, ra. Viewers, that's enough for today. Inshallah, in the next video we will start from the za. But now I'm going to tell you another thing. Another thing is that look it. Here is ba and ta and tha. These three letters are same. But how we can now? This is ba and ta and tha. So easy. Whenever we see one dot below of word, then we can understand it's the ba. Whenever we see the two dots, then we know it's ta. Whenever we see the three dots side, then we understand it is tha. Okay. And also look at jim and ha and ha. These three are also same. But how we can now? But we must now jim with one dot, okay, at the middle, and we must know ha without any dots, okay, and we must know ha with one dot but at the top. But dear viewers, at the end I am going to ask you some question related with this topic, okay, but you must give me the correct answer in a comment box, okay. The first question is that what is the meaning of Noorani Qaida? The second question is that how much alphabets, Arabic alphabets we have, huruf-i-tahajji, okay. The third question is that what does the mufradat mean? But you must give us answer in a comment box.